Did you know you can use avocado seed in your diet? Avocado seed have lots of benefits for your usage. Avocado seeds, often discarded as trash, but yet hold a wealth of potential health benefits. While research is ongoing, several studies suggest that avocado seeds may offer various advantages. Here are some of the potential benefits. Avocado seed is rich in antioxidants. Avocado seeds contain a high concentration of antioxidants, which can help combat free radicals in the body. High in fiber, they are a good source of dietary fiber, which supports digestive health and helps regulate bowel movements. May lower cholesterol. Some studies suggest that avocado seeds may help reduce LDL cholesterol levels. Potential anti-inflammatory properties. Certain compounds in avocado seeds may have anti-inflammatory effects. May support heart health. The fiber and antioxidants in avocado seeds contribute to cardiovascular health. How to use avocado seeds. Before consuming avocado seeds, it's essential to prepare them properly. Raw avocado seeds can be hard to digest and have a bitter taste. Here's how you can process them. Cleaning. Thoroughly wash the avocado seed to remove any remaining avocado flesh. Drying. Dry the seed completely. You can leave it in a warm, sunny spot for a few days, or bake it at a low temperature, around 250 degrees Fahrenheit or 120 degrees Celsius, for a couple of hours. Grinding. Once dried, the seed can be ground into a powder using a high-powered blender or food processor. Consumption. The powder can be added to smoothies, teas, or sprinkled on salads. Here is a table for usage suggestion. Usage method description. Smoothies. Add a teaspoon of avocado seed powder to your favorite smoothie recipe for an extra nutritional boost. Teas. Steep the powder in hot water to make a tea. You can add honey or lemon to improve the taste. Salads. Sprinkle a small amount of avocado seed powder on your salad for added fiber and antioxidants. Disclaimer. It's important to note that while avocado seeds show promise, more research is needed to confirm these benefits. Always consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating avocado seeds into your diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Avocado seeds are often discussed for their potential health benefits, including their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that might contribute to overall health. While there's ongoing research on the effects of various foods on cancer, it's important to note that no food, including avocado seeds, can definitively prevent or treat cancer. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants in avocado seeds could play a role in fighting oxidative stress, which is linked to cancer development. Additionally, certain compounds found in avocado seeds may have anti-cancer properties, but the research is still preliminary. Currently, there is no specific type of cancer that avocado seeds are proven to help fight. However, their high antioxidant content could theoretically aid in reducing cancer risk as part of a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables. As always, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional for guidance tailored to your health and dietary needs, especially when it comes to serious conditions like cancer. Avocado seeds versus avocado oil. A comparison. Both avocado seeds and avocado oil offer potential health benefits, but they come from different parts of the avocado fruit and have unique properties and uses. Nutritional profile. Avocado seeds. Avocado seeds have a concentrated amount of antioxidants, which can help combat oxidative stress in the body. They are very high in fiber, a great source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes gut health. Avocado seeds are relatively low in calories, making them a good option for those looking to add nutrition without excess calories. Avocado oil. Monounsaturated fats. Avocado oil is high in healthy monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which is beneficial for heart health. Nutrient-rich. It contains vitamins E and K, along with antioxidants that may help reduce inflammation. Caloric density. Avocado oil is calorie-dense due to its fat content, so portion control is important. Health benefits. Avocado seeds. Digestive health. The fiber content may support regular bowel movements. Potential cholesterol reduction. Some studies suggest they may help lower LDL cholesterol levels. Anti-inflammatory properties. Certain compounds in the seeds may help reduce inflammation. Avocado oil. Heart health. The monounsaturated fats in avocado oil can support cardiovascular health by lowering bad cholesterol and raising good cholesterol. Skin benefits. It's often used topically for its moisturizing properties, promoting skin health and healing. Anti-inflammatory effects. The antioxidants in the oil can help reduce inflammation in the bowel. Avocado seeds have gained popularity for their potential health benefits, and there are several ways you can incorporate them into your routine. 1. Smoothies. One of the easiest ways to consume avocado seeds is by blending them into smoothies. You can dry and grind the seed into a powder and add a teaspoon to your favorite smoothie for a nutritional boost. 2. Tea. You can prepare a tea using avocado seeds. Boil the seed in water for about 15 to 20 minutes, strain it, and enjoy as a warm beverage. You can add honey or lemon for flavor. 3. Soups and stews. For an extra nutrient kick, you can add powdered avocado seed to soups or stews. Just mix it in during cooking for an added layer of flavor and health benefits. 4th. Homemade snacks. Incorporate ground avocado seed into homemade energy bars or bites. Mix it with nuts, dates, and other ingredients for a healthy snack. 5. Skin care. The antioxidants in avocado seeds can benefit your skin. You can create a scrub by grinding the seed and mixing it with a carrier oil or yogurt for a natural exfoliant. 6. Gardening. If you're into gardening, you can compost the seed or use it to grow a new avocado plant. Just make sure to properly prepare and germinate it. Always remember to start with small amounts, as avocado seeds can be potent. Enjoy experimenting with different methods. Thank you for watching our video on the amazing benefits of avocado seeds. We hope you found the information helpful and are inspired to try out some of these creative ways to incorporate them into your routine. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and recipes. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with avocado seeds, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.